You can very easily annotate PDF documents if you're in preview on a Mac. You can see up here we have a few different options for our PDF document. If you open up the toolbox, you can select the text tool, and if you click, you can easily write your name in. You can edit your text here by changing the size and color of your text, and you can see you can move the text box around to wherever you like. I can add multiple text boxes and move them where I need to go. You can see you can also add lines or arrows, and you can also change the color of the arrows and lines, and you can edit previous annotations very easily. All I have to do now is save the work, and it should save the annotations onto the document. If I reopen this document, I can still edit the annotations, which are quite nice. Okay, and that's how you annotate a PDF on a Mac in preview.